Do you know is a small targeting mistake wasting your ad budget? So hello everyone, I am Abid Hasan Siam. Today I will showing you maximum business owner or advertiser do mistake on simple location targeting. So let's start this video. At first I go to Google search option, then search plumbing service in USA. Then I see many USA based location ads, but right now I still in Bangladesh. So why I see USA based location ads? Because people who run these ads, they use location targeting as United States, but they use location option presence or interest. People in regularly in home shown interest in your include location. Use this location. Suppose you use a keyword dog food in USA in your ads. Then if I search in Bangladesh this keyword, I will able to show your ads. And if I click your ads, your budget was waste. Then if then you use second option, your ads will be run your targeted location and any other country people, your ads will be shown. So that's it for today. I hope I was able to explain it to you. If you have any question or need any help, feel free to contact me.